And I don't think we're getting up that.
Can we park on the street here?
Are we doing it?
Can we do this? Are we oh, whoa!
Jumping area.
Love that. All right, guys. Gonna give you a little tour. Hot today, over 100, and we are going to the desert. And we haven't taken out the side-by-sides. We haven't taken those out in quite a while. So part of this is that we don't know where we're going, and we don't have too much of a plan yet. You guys will already know because we'll have put it in the title. And it's hot, and we got a long drive, but it's gonna be an adventure. Get comfortable, guys. We got about a 3.5 hour drive.
3.5?
Man, look at that view. That is nice. We need to get off on a street called Rice Road. It's like Mac's favorite food, and go that way. We're gonna go northeast, and we're gonna get off here and start making our way downtown. Wow, just kidding.
Making our way downtown.
On Mac's favorite food road, and then we're gonna get some gas. Weiss Road, Carla.
Mac's favorite food road,
My
he said.
second favorite race is Red Race. Let's call this favorite race. Well, I know what desert. Caesar, now do you know what desert we're going to?
You see gasolina right here? I don't see any gasolina right here.
Desert we're going to, bro.
Alcatraz Wells, Superstition.
Not going to any of
Oh,
those.
there's no gas right here.
Hey, that is old.
Yeah, these are just abandoned places.
Wait, this was. Wait.
There was no gas there.
Oh.
Maybe there's up here, probably. Because it said next service is 40 miles. But
Mirage.
where? It said Mirage?
No, I'm saying it was a Mirage.
What was?
Seeing that there was a gas station.
Oh,
We're going to Mirage.
We're not.
we're not.
What? Then where are we going?
I don't know that.
We're going straight, Mac. We've got less than 2 hours, guys. So that's good news. And we're already in the middle of nowhere, so we're definitely on the right track. So precious. Nothing out here. All right, we finally made it to a gas station. Everybody's ready to stop and get out for a minute for sure. Carla, we're not where we're going. This is just taking us to a gas station, and we still have a long drive to go. Oh, I should go pull right behind this dude here. How much? Geez, the gas is $6.79, $6.99. Gas is $7 a gallon. Holy cow! Because you're out here in the middle of nowhere desert. All right, we're gonna move up. It looks like they're moving out of our way here. All right, made it. Whew, it's like 1,000 degrees out here too. I'm gonna gas up. $6.99. Close the doors for me. You can get out, but close the doors for me so she doesn't jump out. That is the California inspection right there. All right, I'm gonna go, we'll fill up gas, then I'm gonna go pee, then we should walk Binks too. Let's walk Binks real quick. You wanna go outside, Binksy? So yeah, I already told Mac it's 55 minutes anyway, so we're less than an hour, guys. Less than an hour. 62 east towards 95 north, going straight. Oh wow, we're going towards this place. We're going towards Lake Havasu City, London Bridge. Oh, I think that P on the mountain is for Parker.
Parker, Arizona?
Parker, Arizona.
Wait, we're in Arizona?
No. You guys watching this video, you already know where we're gonna go, but everybody in the car, we don't know. Especially the guys in the back seat. They got no idea.
I'm gonna punch you.
If you didn't hear, he said, I'm gonna punch you in the face. All right, I am pretty sure we're going over that bridge right there. All right, I'm a little nervous, but Mommy's in control of the camera. Don't film too much of the sky, Mommy.
What are we doing? We're going
Get the
across
whole view too, the
Colorado
side
River.
view.
Oh my gosh, Steven.
Oh my gosh, Steven. Oh my God. Steven. We go Colorado River. Colorado River.
Yep, about to go over the Colorado River, guys. Wild burros on highway, caution. Wow.
I'm about to get cautious right
Oh,
now.
here we go. Oh, we're not going over that bridge. We're going under the bridge.
There's the bear.
Aw. Oh, there's a
There's the
cool bear.
Oh.
Oh, that was anticlimactic as heck.
Oh, I mean, we're going over a bridge.
Yeah, we are going over a bridge. I thought we were going on that bridge. That's a train bridge.
Oh, that's sketchy.
That way, that
Oh, that
makes
is so
more
sketch.
sense. But it's probably a bridge for like freight trains. Oh, look at the river. Look at the river. Oh, wow. Look it out your window too, babe. Wow, look at that.
I can't see. I'm not
Look at this way. Look at this way then. That's super cool.
Colorado River. If you-
Wow. Welcome to Arizona. So yes, Caesar, I guess we are crossing into Arizona.
What?
Welcome to Parker. Wow. All right, we still got a while to go though. We still got like 40 minutes.
It's Train Parker.
30 minutes, 50 minutes, 40 minutes. Arizona, my favorite. Arizona.
Caesar likes Arizona.
Cindy Bowl.
Now we are merging on to the 95. 95.
Oh my God.
95 north. 33 miles on this to McCullough Boulevard. These are beautiful rock formations, man. Look at this. Wow, Arizona. So majestic. What do you think, Cal?
Why do people live here?
'Cause
It's
beautiful.
beautiful. Look at, there's
Look.
water, there's desert to ride.
Are we living here now?
Are we doing this?
Are we doing this? Are we gonna move here? Oh, whoa!
Wow, I didn't expect to see that.
Dude.
Neither did Mama.
That is great.
It is great.
And we can just hop in the pool like it's a sunny day.
And we can just hop in the pool like it's a sunny day. Wow, look at these houses. Look at that double. Oh my
Look
goodness.
at that! Look at that fork!
Wow.
garage.
Look at, oh, that's storage. That makes sense. I was like, look at that. Super
We gotta
cool,
zoom
man.
these properties.
Yeah, we do.
Hey, look at that feet. Looks like ours.
Yeah?
Look at.
Mommy's a good filmer, dude.
You recording? Yeah.
Smokes. Why is the Colorado River so big? How did the Colorado get so big? That's an island, Mama.
I know, baby. It's awesome.
Where?
Oh, it is an island. That's so cool.
12 miles left. Wow.
More water.
More water. Wow, look at these houses,
We
man.
didn't get to where we're going. I feel like we're not even going.
I know.
Look at that one. Holy cow. Pretty houses.
Tell us where we're going.
No, that doesn't. Maybe I made a wrong turn somewhere here.
What is going on?
No.
Please tell me that's Please. What is going on? I hope you go to the random person's house and chill. Why is there so much houses? Like,
A lot of houses.
I would rather take a random person's house than riding. What you
Then
guys
what?
do?
I'd rather take a random person's house than riding, he said.
Who said that?
Carlo.
Seriously?
I'd rather take a random person's house and chill than riding.
Really?
Did you guys like rent a house in the back? In the back?
What?
happened?
What are you
Backwards.
saying, bro? You glitched hard.
Matt glitched.
And there's like a dirt bike track back.
All right, guys, we're here.
What?
And I don't think we're getting up that. Are we?
Nope.
What?
Can we park on the street here?
Wait, what?
Let's
Did you
go.
go
We
into
didn't.
my house?
We didn't think that one through.
Uh-oh. Wait,
Yeah, we are
what'd
parking
you
on.
guys do? Did you guys buy a new house?
Was there cars parked on the street on the other block?
I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
me neither.
Did you guys buy a new house?
No, we did not buy a new house.
What happened?
We got an Airbnb.
Yes! Yes!
What?
Give me all this freaking seat. I'm gonna punch you both in the face when I get in that. I'm gonna punch you both in the freaking face!
Okay, back, chill out.
You guys are so I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. What happened? Thank you, God! Thank you,
Okay,
God!
chill out, please. Chill out, please. Thank you, guys.
Okay, wait. Matthew, get down and get over. Get down.
All right, guys. Gonna give you a little tour of our Airbnb for the weekend. We got living room here. They're ready for what's going on in the backyard. That's why Allie's a little excited. We got bedroom 1. Some lights on in here. There you go. Bedroom 2. Nice. And we got the master bedroom.
With
Nice.
a bathroom on top.
Bathroom.
Oh, this is ours here.
Bathroom.
Now my shorts.
Alright, let's go check out the backyard. Show us around, Caesar.
This is the hot tub. Is it hot?
Oh no, we have to turn it on with the tablet. It's not ready for hot tub time, is it?
Yeah. Can we go in the pool?
Yeah, it's cold. This is nice. We got turf back here, pavers,
Can we go in the pool?
rock.
What do we do with the robot?
We can move it probably or just swim around it.
Well, I'll take a look first. Come on, Caesar. Come on, follow.
Yeah, just swim around it.
Yeah. Super deep cannonball. Oh, we deep.
Can you touch, Matt?
It's deep.
Can you touch?
I can't touch. It's deep. And it's deep. And that's away. And it's deep.
This is a cool spot.
Right here for me. In the jumping area.
Don't slip, because you're going to bang your head if you slip off that.
That's a swimming lessons.
This is pretty cool. Now I get to relax finally. All right, we just got dried off after swimming. Got an Instacart order on the way. Look, there's a moon. Moon looks cool. I'm gonna ride the e-bikes around the property a little bit.
Got Caesar's bike. And now we have to unload mine. We're gonna try to go up this big, really steep mountain right here. Give it all we got. So it's gonna be interesting.
Don't go too fast, okay? Watch for cars.
I'm gonna stay at the top.
Good job, Mac.
And watch it. Alright, then put full speed.
Flip
Go.
your top card.
That one.
Map 1. It gets kind of hard to get the, here, your pile's right here. Don't
Oh my God, Matthew.
break the card, son.
It's a war.
You won, baby. See, guys, stop. Okay, you two have a war. Okay, flip your next card.
It's a game of war.
Carlo got a queen. A queen is higher than a jack. With the ace.
It's time to go to bed.
I'm not cheating. How am I getting so many aces?